McIntyre sleeve is used for splicing copper or steel telephone and telegraph line wires. Underwriter's knot is neither a joint nor a splice but a knot that is made in lamp cord to relieve the strain on small wires and binding screws and rosetics, sockets and male plugs. Large solid conductors where it is difficult to wrap the heavy tap wire around the main wire. Knotted tap is used where the splice is subject to strain or slippage. When there is no strain, the knot may be eliminated. Duplex wire splice is used only in conduit systems wherein duplex wires are used. Western Union short tie splice is the most widely used splicer joint in interior wiring and is extend the length of wire from one point to another. Western Union long tie splice is used extensively for outside wiring. Terminating fixture joint is used when fixture leads are joined to the end run of the top conductor. Joint is a very strong joint and will not untwist even though a strain is placed upon it. It is occasionally used in practice, particularly for temporary lighting system, where time is not taken to solder joints. Ordinary cross joint. This is used where two tap conductors are to extend away from branch conductor in opposite direction. Double wrapped cross joint is just like an ordinary cross joint but double wrapped with electrical tape. It is used where two tap conductors need to extend away from the branch conductor in the opposite direction. A Y-splice joint, also known as a tap splice, connects a conductor to a running wire. You'll need to remove about 1.5 inches of insulation from the running wire. Take the connecting wire and tie it in a knot onto the running wire to create a knotted tap splice. Rat-tail joint is used to join conductors in outlet boxes or when fixture leads are connected to through conductors. The fixture joint is used to connect a small diameter wire, such as in a lighting fixture, to a larger diameter wire used in a branch circuit.